when you look at Bitcoin related products and even like attire or just things that you find at conferences that people are selling, and then in the art itself, you've seen a very quick evolution of those things from the high time preference world into the reality of what it's like to try and market to Bitcoiners who recognize that the money that they're using actually stores value quite well, and then convincing Bitcoiners to part with their sats because they see value in something. It holds your feet to the fire and forces you to be better and create better things that speak to the people that want to purchase them, either in that they're going to last a long time and not break down, or in that they're really thoughtful and the art has meaning behind it and communicates something to the person that wants to purchase it and put it on their wall. Early days in Bitcoin, you could pretty much just slap a B on something and somebody would grab it because there's nothing with Bitcoin on it. And now it's different. Now you've got to hone your craft and you've got to have proof of work in what you're doing. Because again, if you're pumping stuff out there that is inferior quality, I mean, even the pennies for Bitcoin thing, they talk about like the material that they use and the quality and the stitching and things like that, because they say, okay, well, we want this stuff to last. It's not just going to be like some garbage that falls apart in the wash. And I think across the plethora of products that are now being created with Bitcoiners in mind, that's the number one thing. My spending habits have changed in that, yes, I am conscious about whether or not I want to spend money, but it's also in the types of things that I purchase. I'm actually more likely to buy the higher quality, more expensive thing that's going to last a long time. There was a definite shift from people used to fix things and keep them to, oh, everything's replaceable. Is it broken? Yeah, toss it out. We'll just buy a new one. I think we're going back to the we'll fix it phase. We're going back to the low time preference products phase of consumerism. Today's Bullish Bit was brought to you by CoinKite, makers of the Cold Card Q, my personal choice for securing my Bitcoin in self-custody. You can check them out by scanning the QR code or clicking the link in the show notes down below.